In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the Hulu and Disney Plus package so you can enjoy both services at a great value. Let's get started. To access this package, visit the Disney Plus website or app and navigate to the subscription plans page. Look for the Disney bundle, which includes Hulu, ad-supported, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus at a discounted rate. If you don't need ESPN Plus, you can still subscribe to Hulu and Disney Plus together through this bundle. Choose the plan that suits your needs and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. During sign-up, create or link your accounts for Hulu and Disney Plus. Once subscribed, download the Hulu and Disney Plus apps or visit their websites, log in, and start streaming your favorite shows and movies. For offline viewing, download content while connected to Wi-Fi and access it later in the Downloads section. Ensure your payment details are updated to keep your subscription active. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming with Hulu and Disney Plus.